I'm speaking on behalf of the Nonviolent Radical Party, Transnational and Transparty, to bring to the Council's attention the situation faced by approximately 200 Uyghurs, many of them students, who are currently detained in Egypt, and the reported 22 Uyghur students who have already been deported from Egypt to China in July 2017. On July 1, 2017, Egyptian police and security forces started to round up Chinese nationals in Egypt. Over 200 individuals, the majority of them being Uyghur students at the Al-Azhar University, were arbitrarily detained. On July 6, 2017, Egyptian authorities forcibly returned at least 12 Uyghur religious students to China. Between July 11th and 14th, 10 more Uyghur students were also forcibly returned to China. To date, there has been no information from the Chinese or Egyptian government on the whereabouts of the Uyghur students who returned, and we fear for their safety and well-being. As I am speaking, the estimated 200 people caught up in the roundup remain in detention in Egypt, uncertain of their fate. They would be at serious risk of torture, enforced disappearance, and other human rights violations if they were returned to China. There has been no indication that these students are guilty of any wrongdoing. Deportation of individuals to a country where they may face torture or mistreatment stands in flagrant violation of international law, but the international community has remained largely silent. We raise this issue to the Council today in the hope that those currently detained in Egypt will be treated fairly and immediately released. We urge the People's Republic of China, Egypt, and all UN members to address this issue through constructive dialogue so that international law and respect for basic human rights may be upheld. Thank you.